Shadows at our back, Pharaoh's army closing in, ready to attack. But you said move forward when the road looked done, standing at the shoreline with nowhere to run. But the wind started blowing, heaven started showing, the miracle was coming, even when we didn't know it. You opened up the Red Sea, made a highway just for me. When the waters looked too deep, you said step in and believe. Mountains on both sides, but your hand was my guide. I walked through the water, 'cause you're the God who parts the sea. Footprints in the sand as the waves stood tall, freedom in the air as we ran from it all. Enemies behind us, but the power broke when the sea came crashing down underneath your spoke. When everything was hopeless, you proved you were the closest, turning fear into faith. Now every chain is broken. You opened up the Red Sea, made a highway just for me. When the waters looked too deep, you said step in and believe. Mountains on both sides, but your hand was my guide. I walked through the water, 'cause you're the God who parts the sea. If you did it then, you can do it now. Same strong power, same mighty sound. When my back's against the wall, Lord, I'll still stand, knowing you're the God who moves with a lifted hand. You opened up the Red Sea, made a highway just for me. When the whole world says retreat, you say, child, follow me. Oceans bow to